Brasser Park, Port Richey, Florida. Expecting a few showers. I will set up as soon as I get out there. Happy Saturday. This is what I got. Can't have that much gear, so I bought this. Put my gear in it, towed it out. So we shall see how it works. Headed out to Durney Key. Okay, we have entered the water. I always pass this house. This is my first time camping Durney Key. I usually hit Anclo spoiled islands. So they're a lot more shady. There's shade here, but I got shade. It's gonna be a hot one. I can already feel it. I'm supposed to get a little rain. We shall see. Yes. Let's see. I got all my gear in a tube right behind me. We'll show you when I get there. Well, I showed you already. But yeah, it's working great. It holds 200 pounds. Okay, I just landed. Just landed. There's a spot right here. I think someone's over there. So I might go try over here. Oh wow, a little paddle. Didn't take too long. Yeah, I'm gonna camp here, or here's an area. Oh, this was the original area I was gonna come. Let's see. I think I'm gonna look around. That's what I'm gonna do. Well, I got camp set up. Ready for the rain. Fly my flag. I got this to bring my gear out in, work perfect. And it's got a burr holder. And I can chill out around here and just float around. So that's what I'm gonna do soon. Lots of clouds. But I am pretty much set up right behind the Durney Key sign. Property of its people. That's what I'm talking about. Here's my camp. Waterproof tarp. I got my signature lights up in here. So we're gonna do steak tonight with some greens. Someone's jamming over there, some country. But yeah, it was pretty hot. Now it's kind of cooled off. Beautiful day. I see lots of clouds. Probably gonna rain. But right now it is beautiful out here at Durney Key. I got my camp right over here. This will be my view. Sun's gonna go down over there, but we'll catch it. Hopefully it won't be raining. Go Tampa. There's camp. I'm ready. I'm ready for the rain. 2 coolers. I bought very little than what I normally do. But yeah, here we go. And their stereo is jamming. Check out the other side. When there's storms out, a lot of people do not come out, which I don't blame them. Yeah, some people over here. Durney Key, baby, Durney Key. Oh, somebody's got a grilling out over here. Alright, hey, there's people everywhere today. Very nice out. I'm stoked about cooking out tonight.